In today's video, we'll show you how to open and close a position on MetaTrader 4. So, let's dive right in. Once you're logged into your MT4 platform, navigate to the left side of the platform to the Market Watch window. To view all the available instruments, simply right-click on the Market Watch window and select Show All. To open a trade, right-click on the instrument you want to trade and select New Order. This will bring up the order window. Here, you can enter all the necessary details. If you want to change the instrument, you can do that right here. Next, choose the lot size you wish to trade from the drop-down, or simply enter the value. You can also set the stop loss and take profit levels according to your trading strategy. If you want to place a pending order, select Pending Order from the Type drop-down menu. Otherwise, stick with Market Execution as per your strategy. Once everything is set up, click Sell by Market or Buy by Market to place your trade. And that's it. Your trade is now open. Alternatively, you can place a trade directly from the toolbar at the top of the platform. Just click on New Order or go to Tools and select New Order. The same order window will pop up. Enter the details and click the Sell or Buy button to place the trade. Now let's talk about one-click trading. This feature makes placing trades even faster. To enable it, go to Tools in the top toolbar and then click on Options. A new window will pop up. Here, navigate to the Trade tab and select the one-click trading checkbox. You can read the terms and conditions for one-click trading here. Once you've read them, accept the terms by checking the box, then click OK, and you're all set. One-click trading is now enabled. To place trades using one-click trading, simply right-click on the chart of the respective instrument and click on One-Click Trading to enable it, or simply press Alt+T. You'll now see the Sell and Buy buttons directly on the top of the chart. Adjust the lot size if needed, and click Buy or Sell to place your trade. It's that simple. Now, to close a trade, go to the Trade tab in the Terminal window at the bottom of the platform. To open the Terminal window, click on View and then select Terminal. Here, you can see all the open trades. To close a position, simply click the X icon at the end of the trade line. Alternatively, you can right-click on the open trade and select Close Order. And that's it, the trade is closed. Here is an important point. If one-click trading is not enabled, a confirmation window will pop up when you click the Close Order option or the cross icon. Simply click the Close button in this window to close the trade. And that's all. Opening and closing positions on MT4 is straightforward and super simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.